He needs a makeup artist before the video. What's wrong with you, Mr. Machaka?
I'm good because that accent is not.
All right. How are you, Mr. Machaka?
I'm not used to this accent, my friend.
But what gave you this idea that we need to start putting makeup on?
My friend, everybody's doing that. It's only you here at iDiskiTV that doesn't do it, my friend. We come here 1 hour, we sit, then nothing's happening. We must start with Junior Kaizer and end up with. Yeah, but anyway, good looks. Yeah, you made some people.
Yes, sir.
You made some way, my brother.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, good looks.
What do you want me to do? Thank you very much. Thoughts, please. Do you want me to lead you with a question?
You can.
Thank you very much for your time. Thoughts, please.
I mean, it's up to you. You choose whether you want to put the questions or not. Or me, I must just drive the car all the way.
Please.
Thanks very much. Thanks very much, Nguluks. Yes, you are happy that we won today? No, yeah, you are happy as well.
You are asking me a question?
No, you are happy.
No, I'm indifferent.
Okay.
I'm getting down.
Okay, no problem, Nguluks. I thought maybe you'll be happy that Chiefs won.
I'm a
again.
journalist.
Okay, yes, but you should be happy sometimes. So, okay, Nguluks. Let's get started.
I am not happy or unhappy. I am indifferent.
But I see a smile today. You know, sometimes when Chiefs win, sometimes we don't get a smile. But anyway, let's leave it for another day. It's a discussion for another day.
Kambule.
No Kambule Nguluks. Bruce, let us not waste time for the viewers.
Sure.
Straight to the point, Nguluks. 3 points in the bag, Ellis Park Stadium. They call it Coca-Cola Park Stadium, Nguluks. And Nguluks, first half. Dull first half, Nguluks, but I love the intentions of Amakosi. Within 5 minutes, Nguluks, we had, I think, 3 corner kicks. The intention was there. That's one didn't shepherd. I'm talking about technical team. They told the players, go there and enjoy yourself. You know, that is why we kept on pushing. The pushes up until, but we didn't get a goal. I mean, we were supposed to get a goal earlier. So we didn't get a goal in the first half. I'm saying, Sekhukhune, my brother, they didn't come to the game. I think Chiefs was alone, especially in the first half. Bvuma has made 1 or 2 saves, but he was on holidays, Bvuma. If we talk about marriage, I'll be saying Bvuma is on honeymoon. Because of Sekhukhune, didn't come to the party, didn't give us anything. Looks, you could even see, man, these guys, Chiefs boys, they were doing what they place on the field of play. Come second half, that's why he scored the goal. You know, I think Mphahlele today is going to go home, sleep well, my brother, because yeah, you know, he hasn't been playing well. But you could even see now they are back to their, you know, to their senses to say, guys, we are playing for a team like Kaizer Chiefs. We've got to be strong. We've got to be solid at the back. Even if Sekhukhune didn't give us much, but you could see that the guys want to play. And I was there as well, doing like he did in the past two games or so, and also Blom and Mphahlele as well in Guluks. Yeah. So. Yeah, I'm happy about the performance, Guluks. But even though Sekhukhune didn't give us much, you know, I mean, that's what I'm saying. We are on holidays today. So, but 3 points at the back, that's what is important, my brother.
Yeah. Let's talk about some of the key performances from some of your players. Namhlanje, of course, Mphahlele scored the goal, but were the other standout players? I mean, I did not think coming into this game that Kaizer Chiefs were going to lose. I told it's Vilakazi in his prediction. I said I don't agree with you. I don't think that Chiefs is going to lose this game. I told Junior Kaizer, I said I don't agree with you. Sekhukhune is not going to beat Chiefs because we've watched them enough times. Which players raised their hands today, in your opinion? No,
good look, I can't single any other player, my brother, on this game. Because why? Based on the performance as Sekhukhune. Poor Nguluks, especially go stadium Sabo Ellis Park. You know, sometimes we must have a competitive game so that we see, you know, so that we see our players or you know how far they could go in this game. So, but if you're playing against an opponent that doesn't give you anything, how are you going to rate our players? You know, we can just say the performance was good, but how against a weak opponent like Sekhukhune today? Disappointed in Nguluks, they've got good coaches there on the bench, but they didn't offer us anything. So that's what I'm saying. Even the chances were very, very slim, especially going forward. Sekhukhune, they will build from the back, midfield, but the final touch in Nguluks leaves a lot to be desired. There was nothing. That's what I'm saying. Even our goalkeeper, he was on holiday because of Sekhukhune. They didn't offer us anything. So that is very, very difficult to rate our players today, but what I can say is, Nguluksi, we're playing football, I mean, based on what maybe Athazwan and Shepherd did to the players to say, guys, yeah, young one, then it's just go out there and enjoy yourself. But Bilal, at least today, was not himself. I'm not sure what's happening with Bilal, because Bilal all the time, we know the story. Bilal gives us oomph, especially going forward. But Bilal Park, it means our players, they don't want to play a team like Kaizer Chiefs. If you can leave Parker 90 minutes, my friend, what does it say about the...
What's wrong with Parker?
No, what does it say about the players? Parker played his football, my brother. Till now. Eh? I mean, good looks, Kaizer Chiefs here for next season. Yeah. So now we're still playing Parker for 90 minutes.
He's gonna play 30 games next season for 90 minutes again next season, unless he's injured.
We have players on the bench. Are they giving us something? That's the question that we are asking ourselves. You understand? So it's up to them to say, you know what we are doing in Kaizer Chiefs jersey. We have got to perform. But all in all, that's what I'm saying. Great results for us, great results for the supporters, great results for Athazwani and also for Dylan Shepherd and the players as well. So that's what I'm saying. For Owen Dagama and his co-coaches in Nguluksi, I'm disappointed with them, my brother, for not giving us a good game. So that's why us, we are just enjoying ourselves on the field of play, playing our normal football, going forward. But chances are very, very slim today, even if we're having more balls. Sure. But chances need this thing today. So yes, that's what I'm saying. I'm disappointed in terms of especially the coach, the goalkeepers. They didn't even make any saves in Nguluksi on the day. So all in all, in Nguluksi, granting those results away from home, let's just honor the next game, what the next game will offer for Kaizer Chiefs. But thank you very much, guys, for 3 points. We'll go back home, Nguluksi, and just relax. So next game is Maroka Soros. We'll just see what happens, my friends. So, Nguluksi, while I'm talking, don't take the marks.
When you win, you go on and on and on.
No. I'm enjoying myself as well, like Kaizer Chiefs did tonight, my friend. No, sorry, grandpa.
When you win, you go on.
Okay, no, I'm okay. I'm good, and I'm happy. We'll see you next time, my friend. Thank you.
There you go. Thank you so much, Chucks. I hope you enjoyed the games today. There's so many games. We'll try as much as we can, of course, to cover as many of them as possible. Alana Paris tomorrow at 6 p.m. We'll be here with Dugudugu Makanya, Junior Kanye, and So Vilagazi, and the team, of course, Justice Shabalala and Offensive Player High. DStv, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.